Hey, this is Rick and welcome back to another unboxing and partial review. This is going to be on a small Bluetooth speaker that you can carry outside. Supposedly it's weatherproof. It will connect to your phone. You can recharge it through a USB cable and it has FM reception. This model is the XC-Y3. It comes in multiple colors like pink, blue, red, black, green. This is the pink model for my wife. Let's go ahead and unbox it. There's the USB charging cord. Here's the unit itself. It has a little Bluetooth emblem in the middle here. It's like a neon pink. Has a rocker switch there for on and off. And looks like a volume control wheel right here. And an LED light. Maybe that lights up once it's paired. It's like a hard plastic with like a textured rubber texture on the back. So the Bluetooth device measures roughly 3 inches by 2 inches. Nothing else on the box. It says TF card, so I guess it'll take a card. Not much to the owner's manual. It's Chinese on one side and English on the other side. And it shows you where the TF card goes in. It has an on and off button like I said. And supposedly there's a fast forward. Okay, there it is. It's embossed on the back here. It's a little hard to see. But right here it has a fast forward, play, and reverse button. So I guess if you put music on the card, it'll play off of that also. So you don't have to wirelessly Bluetooth this to your phone. We're going to try that. So here we have my wife's phone. It may have to be charged. No, maybe
the external not. Sound mode.
External sound mode.
The device already ready to connect.
So it does speak to you. So you can go ahead and set up your Bluetooth. So it does have support for a micro SD card. The Bluetooth working distance, it says, is within 25 meters, so that's a good distance. Support line in, audio input, connect for Bluetooth. Speaker through output devices, for example, MP3, MP4, PSP, tablet, PC, mobile phone, etc. So you can use this as an external speaker also if you want to play music from another device. So if you have music already on your phone, you can go ahead and probably link that through this USB. So that's the difference then. When you plug this in through here, this will actually be your external speaker once you plug it into here from your device, but also works to charge the Bluetooth speaker. That's kind of neat. So let's see about pairing. We're going to go into Bluetooth. We're going to hit the Bluetooth.
The device already ready to connect. The device already ready to connect.
Okay, I was having a problem with the device pairing, and I'm wondering if maybe the battery was too low to pair. So you can see it illuminating there. If I take the USB port out, it goes away. So when you plug it in, you know that it's charging. And you can see that there. Now the other thing, when I looked at the cord, there's a split tail here. So you have the USB on one side, and you have the external speaker port for your external device right here.
The device already ready to connect.
Available devices, BT speaker. You can see right there, it found it. Connect that. Now it's pairing it.
The device pair successful.
It said the pairing is successful. So we'll close that out. And we'll try to play this. It's got a little volume rocker there. Go to the right.
It's your husband calling. Don't you want to pick up and find out what's going on? Find out what's going on.
So it's got some decent volume.
It's your husband calling.
So it has a decent volume sound to it. I have to play a generic song here so that I don't get hit with copyright for YouTube. But it's paired and it's working fine. And when you're in Bluetooth mode or you're in the external speaker mode, you control the volume from your volume on your phone or your external device. So my impressions for under a $25 Bluetooth speaker. Seems to be working pretty good. It's supposed to come with a clip. Mine didn't come with a clip. I guess you can get those separately. So you can hang it on the side of your pants loop or your jogging outfit or backpack, whatever it is. I don't have an SD card to try it out, but I'm sure that whatever music you put on your SD card and you put in the slot, I'm sure that it will play through the Bluetooth device. We've already tried it through an external speaker and that worked fine. So overall, it seems like it works okay. So I recommend giving it a try. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That subscribe button will be down there in the right-hand corner of the video. Click that. You never know what video I'm going to come up with next. Share with your friends. Take care.